everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be showing you how to create your own face mask with a pocket for a filter. And also I am going to be showing you how to do a embroidered name using this brother sewing machine that I have. It's a Brother SE600. It also comes with their embroidery the embroidery bed. So I'm going to be showing you all how to use that. This is fabric that you can purchase from your local Joann, Walmart, Hobby Lobby, wherever you can find fabric at the moment, because they are closing a lot of the stores. Also, I have this pattern printed in the description box below. I'm just going to be running through just to show you all how you can create your own pocket and how to do the embroidery on your face mask. So this is what we're going to use to create the embroidered name. If you notice, it's a computerized machine embroidery. So we're going to use this. I cut a small piece, and we're just going to turn this to that side. And we're just going to place this right wherever we want the name to go. We're going to take our hoops. Take our hoop. Turn this around. It never sticks. I don't know why. Turn it around. Place the mask, the front part of the mask inside, and make sure your arrows line up. I'll show you what arrows I'm talking about. You want to make sure your arrows line up. Those two arrows, make sure they line up. And we're just gonna make sure this is tight. We're just gonna twist it. And so we used our tearaway, put it on the back of our fabric. This is what the back looks like. This is what the front look like. You want to make sure it's solid, it's not moving. Make sure it's tight inside of the hoop. And we're gonna put it on our embroidery bed, and I'll show you the next steps from there. Okay guys, so this is the embroidery machine that I'll be using. It is the SE600 Brother sewing machine. As you can see, I have my bed already attached to my sewing machine. I have my embroidery hoop with our face mask pattern, just one single layer. We're just gonna take it, and there's like a clip for it. You just clip your embroidery hoop onto this metal piece. So now that we have our customer's name in here, it's gonna take 3 minutes to stitch the name. Everything is set up. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna lift down your presser foot. It's gonna give you the green light to go, and you're just gonna press the green button, and it'll embroider everything for you. It's finished. As you can see, it said embroidery finished. We're going to press OK, and we're going to remove it from our hoop. Take your hoop off, and this is what it should look like. You just have to go in and cut these threads. Jump stitch threads, and remove your tape from back here. Now that we have our name embroidered, we're going to take them right sides together and pin and sew along the front edge of each piece. Now that we have each piece sewn down at 1/4 of an inch, we're going to take them right sides together. This is my right side. I'm going to push it out, And then I'm gonna take my lining piece, take my right side, press it out, and we have them right sides together. And we're gonna pin along the bottom. We're gonna pin along the bottom first. And this is what your bottom should look like. Now for the top, you're gonna pin your middle piece. You're gonna pin your middle piece. And you're gonna pin up one side. You choose what side you want the opening. So since I have the name on this side, I'm gonna have the opening for the filter on this side too, just because we're just gonna keep everything on that one side. So we're gonna pin along the top. Pin along the top. And then when it comes to over here, we're gonna pin about, we're gonna leave a 2-inch opening. A 2-inch opening. So I'm gonna grab my ruler or my sewing gauge. So this is a handy dandy tool. It is called a sewing gauge. I'm just gonna take it and measure 2 inches. 2 inches will be right there. And that's where we're gonna leave a gap. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna sew along the bottom at a 1/4 of an inch. And when it comes to the top, we're gonna sew along the top at a 1/4 of an inch. Once we get to this point, we're gonna backstitch, and then we're gonna skip this portion, and then we're gonna start again and backstitch at the end, just so that we can leave an opening for the filter. So we're just gonna sew at a 1/4 of an inch. Cut the thread. Okay, we have the bottom sewn up. Now when it comes to the top, we are going to do the same thing, but like I said, we're going to skip the opening, the 2-inch opening. So we're going to start at the first end. We're going to backstitch, remove the pins as we go. Okay, we're coming to that first mark. We're gonna backstitch, cut our thread, we're gonna leave that opening. We're gonna go down to the second point, the second pin, backstitch, sew a little, backstitch again at the second point, cut the thread, and now we have an opening for our filter pocket. So now that we have an opening for our filter pocket, we're gonna turn the mask inside out. And this is what it should look like. And we're gonna press it. We're gonna press it so everything lay flat. And we're gonna fold up our edges 5/8 of an inch once, 5/8 of an inch twice. And we're gonna sew along the edge. But I'll be back, I'm gonna press. Okay, now that we have everything pressed out, we folded up the edges. We're just gonna sew along the edge and feed the elastic through, and we will be done. Now that we have sewn up the edges along the edge of the fold line, we are all complete. Now you're just going to feed your elastic through, and your face mask is finished with a pocket for your filter with the name on it. Thank you guys for watching, and also if you need any assistance, please watch my previous video as I go in detail step by step on how to create this look. Thank you.